Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is mixture and alligation. Mixture and alligation is the most important topic for all aptitude exam. We have learned in previous video how to solve in traditional method and how to solve it in easy way. So friends, we will today solve in only easy way. So now let's start. There are three mixture contain milk and water. In first mixture milk is 40% of mixture and in second mixture milk is 25% less than water. In third mixture the ratio of milk and water is 5:2. If 25 liter of first mixture, 20 liter of second mixture and 10 liter of third mixture are mixed together, then find the ratio milk and water in new mixture. Our target to find ratio milk and water in new mixture. In first container 40% of mixture milk is 40%. 40% means 2/5. Milk is 40% means milk is 2 out of 5, so 3 will be water, right? Milk and water ratio is 2:3 in first container. In second container 25% less than water. 25% means 1/4. Milk is less than 25% means water will be 4 and less than 1, only 1, so 3 will be milk. In second container 3:4 and in third containers 5:2. 5:2. So 2 plus 3 is in first container 5 part. 3 plus 4 is 7 part. 5 plus 2 is 7 part in third container. And now see here, part are not same. Part are not same. If part are not same, we can take LCM. LCM will be 35, right? LCM is 35. So 5 7 ja 35. Multiply with 7 whole, right? 7 5 ja 35. So multiply with 5. Now 7 5 ja 35. So multiply with 7. And in the question given 25 liters in first container mixes 20 liter in second container mixes and 10 liter in third container mixes. So ratio will be 5 5 ja 25. 5 4 ja 20. 5 2 ja 10, right? So ratio is 5:4:2. So in first container multiply with 5, in second container multiply with 4 and in third container multiply with 2. Now see here, 5 5 and 5 cancel. So 7 2 ja 14. New ratio is 14. 7 3 ja 21. 4 3 ja 12 ratio and 4 4 ja 16. Now 2 5 ja 10 ratio, 2 2 ja 4. Now add them. So 1 6 7 7 4 11. 1 carry here, 2 1 3 and 1 4. 41. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 2 3. So new ratio is 36:41. It means option B is the correct answer. Now see here once again friends. In first container milk and water ratio is 2:3. 40% water. 40% water means water is only 2. Out of 5 water is only 2. So 3 will be milk. So in first container water is 2 and milk is 2 and water is 3, right? In second container, less than 25% milk of water. So 25%, it means 75% is milk and 100% is water. So in second container 3 is to 4 and third container 5 is to 2. Now 2 plus 3, 5 part in first container, 3 plus 4, 7 part is second container, 5 plus 2 is 7 part in third container. So if these are not same, part are not same, we can take LCM. LCM is 35. 5 goes 7 times, so multiply with 7 in first container. 7 goes 5 times, so multiply with 5 in second container. 7 goes again 5 times, so multiply with 5 in third container. And mixes 25 liter in first container, 20 liter is second container, and third container in 10 liter. So ratio will be 5 is to 4 is to 2. 5 5 is 25, 5 4 is 20, and 5 2 is 10. Now in first container multiply with 5, in second container multiply with 4, and third container multiply with 2. So observe here, 5 5 5 get cancel. So 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21. Now 4 3 is 12 and 4 4 is 16. Now 2 5 is 10 and 2 2 is 4. Now add them. So 21 plus 16 plus 4 is 41. 14 plus 12 plus 10 is 36. So new mixer is 36 is to 41. Now move to next question. There are 3 mixer contain milk and water. In first mixer, milk is 37.5% of mixer, and in second mixer, milk is 40% less than water. In third mixer, the ratio of milk and water is 5 is to 4. If 4 of first mixer, 2 of second mixer, and third of third mixer are mixed together, then find the ratio milk and water in new mixer. So our target to find what is the after mixing new mixer. Now see here, there are 3 mixer contain milk and water. In first mixer, milk is 37 point milk and water. (37.5% means 3/8. Milk is 3 out of 8, so water will be 5. Milk is 3 part and water is 5 part. Milk is 3 part and water is 5 part. Total part is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8 part. 8 part. Out of 8 part, milk is 3. So definitely will be 5 water. 5 part water. In second container, 40% less than third container. 40% less than. 40% means 2/5. So milk is less than 40%, means water is 5 minus 2 is milk. So minus 2 is 5 minus 2 is 3. So milk is 3 and water is 5. 40% less than water means water is 5 less than 2 minus 2. So will be 3. Milk will be 3. And in third container, 5 is to 4. 5 is to 4. So 3 plus 5 is 8 part in first container. 3 plus 5 is 8 part again in second container. But in third container, 5 plus 4 is 9 part. Now these are not same. So take LCM. LCM will be 72. Right? So 8 goes 72 9 times. So multiply with 9. 8 goes again with 9. 9 goes 8 times. So multiply with 8. Now mixes with in first container 4, second container 2 and third container. First container with 4, second container with 2 and third container with 3. So now 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 and again 3 3 ja 9, 3 4 ja 12. 1 minute. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 4 ja 8. Now observe here, no more cancellation. So 3 into 2 is 6. So new mix will be, new ratio is 3 into 2 6, 6 3 ja 18. Ratio 6 5 ja 30. 3 3 ja 9. Ratio 3 5 ja 15. Now 4 5 ja 20. 4 4 ja 16. Now add them. 5 plus 6 is 11, carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 15. 8 plus 9 is 17. 7, carry 1. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1 4. So new ratio is 47 is to 51. Now share once again. In first container 37.5% milk and water. So milk will be 3 and water will be 5. Total part is 8. Out of 8, milk is only 3. So water will be 5. Right? In second container, less than 40% milk to water. So 40% is equal to 2 by 5. So 5 will be water and 40% minus will be milk. So 3 is to 5. In third container, milk and water ratio is given 5 is to 4. So 3 plus 5 is 8 part in first container, 3 plus 5 is 8 part in second container, and 5 plus 4 is 9 in third container. So take LCM. If these are not same, we can take LCM. LCM will be 72. So 8 goes 9 times of 70. So multiply with 9. 8 goes 9 times. So multiply with 9. 9 goes 8 times. So multiply with 8. Now mixes with in first container 4, in second container 2 and third container 3. So multiply with 4, 2, 3. Now observe here. 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 4 ja 8. 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9 and 3 3 ja 9. So 3 plus 2 is 6, 6 3 ja 18, 6 5 ja 30, right? 3 3 ja 9 and 3 5 ja 15. In third container, 4 into 5 is 20 and 4 into 4 is 16. Now add them. So 5 plus 6 is 11, carry 1, 3 1 4, 4 1 5, 51. 8 plus 9 is 17, 17, carry 1, 7 here, 1 1 2 and 2 2 4. So 47 is to 51. So our answer is mixes, finally mixes is 47 is to 51. 3 vessel was capacity are age 3 is to 2 is to 1 are completely filled, milk mixed with water. The ratio of milk to water in the mixture of vessels are age 5 is to 2, 4 is to 1 and 4 is to 1 respectively. Find the percentage of water in the new mixture obtained when 1 by 3 of first, 1 by 2 of second and 1 by 7 of the third vessel is taken out and mixed together. Milk and water in first container 5 is to 2. Milk and water in first container 5 is to 2. In second container 4 is to 1. And in third container 4 is to again 1. Right? So in first container 5 plus 2 7 part. second container 5 part, 4 plus 1 5, and third container 5 part. These are not same. To take LCM will be 35. 35 7 goes 5 times, so multiply with 5. 5 goes 7 times, multiply with 7. 5 goes 7 times, so multiply with 7. 7 5 5 LCM is 35, right? 35. And capacity, first container 3, second container 2, and third container 1. Now 5 3 is 15, right? 1 second. And taken out 1 by 3 in first container, taken by 1 by 2 in first container, taken by 1 by 7 is second container. 1 by 2 is 1 by 3 is first container, 1 by 2 is second container, and 1 by 7 is third container taken out. So 2 cancel, 3 cancel, and 7 cancel. Now 5 5 is 25, 5 2 is 10. In second container only 7 4 is 28, 7 1 is 7. In third container, so direct 4:1. Now add them. 10 plus 7 17, and 1 18. 5 8 13, 13 plus 4 is 17. 2 to 4 and 1 5. So new mixture is 57:18. And our target to find what is the ratio of water, percentage of water. So this is a milk and this is water. Water is 18. Out of 57 plus 18 is 87, 5 and 6 7, 75 into 100. So 25 3 is 75, and 25 4 is 100. 3 6 is 18, 6 4 is 28. 6 4 is 24. So water percent is 24% in this mixture, right? So option C is the correct answer. Now see here once again, friends. In first container, milk and water ratio is 5:7. Second container 4:1, and third container 4:1. So in first container, part is 7, 5 plus 2. First container 7 parts, second container 5 parts, and third container 7 parts. So these are not same. If these are not same, take LCM. LCM will be 35. So 7 goes 5 times, multiply with 5. 5 goes 7 times, so multiply with 7. Again 5 goes 7 times, so multiply with 7. Now capacity of first container 3, second container 2, and third container 1. And taken out in first container 1 by 3, second container 1 by 2, and third container 1 by 7. So 3 cancel, 2 cancel, 7 cancel. Now we have 5, only 5, right? So 5 5 is 25 milk, 5 2 is 10 water in first container. Second container 7 4 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 1 is 7 in second container, milk and water ratio. In third container, milk and water ratio is, all are here cancel, right? So only we have 4:1. So 4:1. Now add them. 10 plus 7 is 17, 17 plus 1 is 18. Now 5 plus 8 is 13, 13 plus 4 is 17, 17 7, 1 is carry, 2 2 4 and 1 5. So our answer is not our answer. milk and water ratio is 57:18. Our target to find what is the water ratio of this mixture, right? So water is 18 out of 57 plus 18, so 18 out of 75. 57 plus 18 is 75, right? So 4% multiply with 100, right? So 25 for 100 and 25 3 75. So 3 6 18, right? 3 6 18. 6 into 4 is 24. So our answer is 24% of water. Means option C is the correct answer. Thanks for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon as well. Thanks a lot.